Lemon Turmeric Detox Drink, a simple daily ritual for natural balance. Welcome back to Healthy Body and Healthy Mind. I'm Dr. David Fitzwilliam, and I've always believed in one guiding principle: prevention is better than cure. In today's video, I want to walk you through a simple, balanced morning drink that has gained significant attention in natural wellness circles, the Lemon Turmeric Detox Drink. More importantly, I want to explain why it works, how to prepare it correctly, and how to use it safely as part of a sustainable daily routine. Let's begin with something very important. This drink is not a miracle cure. It is not a rapid detox cleanse. It does not replace medical treatment. Instead, it is a gentle, consistent daily habit built on 4 natural ingredients that support the body's existing processes: warm water, fresh lemon, turmeric, and raw honey. When used properly and consistently, this drink may help support hydration, digestion, inflammatory balance, and overall well-being. Let's start with the foundation: warm water. After several hours of sleep, the body naturally wakes up mildly dehydrated. Hydration is essential for circulation, digestion, cellular function, and energy levels. Drinking warm water first thing in the morning gently restores fluid balance. It also helps relax the digestive tract and stimulate natural bowel movement. Unlike cold water, which can feel abrupt and sometimes slow digestive activity early in the day, warm water creates a soothing internal environment that prepares the system to function optimally. Think of warm water as the delivery system. Without it, the other ingredients cannot work effectively. Next, let's talk about lemon, the digestive activator. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative stress. It also contains plant compounds that support overall vitality. When lemon juice is added to warm water, it stimulates digestive enzymes and encourages healthy bile production in the liver. Bile plays a key role in fat digestion and nutrient absorption. Although lemon tastes acidic, once metabolized, it has an alkalizing effect on the body. This supports internal balance and may help reduce feelings of sluggishness. Many individuals also find that lemon water encourages regular hydration throughout the day because it improves the taste of plain water without adding artificial ingredients. Now let's move to turmeric, one of the most researched natural spices in the world. Turmeric contains an active compound called curcumin, known for its antioxidant and inflammation-supporting properties. Modern lifestyles, including processed foods, stress, and environmental exposure, can contribute to low-grade inflammation over time. Turmeric works by supporting the body's natural inflammatory response rather than suppressing it. In addition, turmeric supports liver function by encouraging natural detoxification pathways. The liver already performs detoxification daily. Turmeric simply supports that natural process when used in appropriate amounts. Small, consistent intake is far more effective than excessive doses. And finally, we come to raw honey. Raw honey is much more than a sweetener. Unlike refined sugar, it contains natural enzymes, antioxidants, and trace minerals. Honey can help soothe the digestive tract and provide a gentle source of energy without causing rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels when used moderately. In this recipe, honey plays a critical balancing role. Lemon can be sharp, and turmeric can be earthy and slightly bitter. Honey softens those flavors, making the drink enjoyable and sustainable. Sustainability is essential because the real power of this drink lies in daily consistency, not intensity. Now let's talk about preparation. Using precise measurements is important. More is not better. Overusing turmeric or lemon can irritate the stomach. Balance is key. Here's the recommended preparation: 250 milliliters of warm water, comfortably hot but not boiling. The juice of half a fresh lemon. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Begin by warming the water. It should be soothing, not scalding. Add the freshly squeezed lemon juice first and stir thoroughly. Next, add the turmeric powder and mix until evenly dispersed. Finally, add the raw honey and stir gently until dissolved. Drink this once daily in the morning on an empty stomach. After consuming it, wait approximately 15 to 20 minutes before eating breakfast. This allows the body time to absorb and respond to the ingredients. Consistency matters far more than quantity. A small, balanced amount taken daily is far more effective than large amounts taken occasionally. What makes this drink effective is the synergy between ingredients. Warm water prepares and hydrates. Lemon activates digestion. Turmeric supports inflammatory balance and liver function. Honey harmonizes the flavor and adds gentle nourishment. Together, they form a simple, sustainable wellness ritual. In today's world, many people are searching for complex solutions to health concerns. Yet often, the most powerful improvements come from small daily habits practiced consistently over time. This lemon turmeric detox drink is not about extremes. It is about balance, moderation, and preventive wellness. All the ingredients used in this recipe are listed for you. You'll find the ingredient links in the video description below. I'm Dr. David Fitzwilliam, and I firmly believe that prevention is better than cure. When you commit to simple daily practices that support your body's natural systems, you create a strong foundation for long-term well-being. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Healthy Body and Healthy Mind for weekly natural health education. And for more practical wellness guidance, visit fixmyhealth123.com. Take care of your health consistently, stay balanced, and remember, small habits practiced daily often lead to the greatest results.